Today, I don't see any divergence at this point. Look at this. They both are making the similar downside bottoming structure. Today, there's no divergence at all so far. But if you go yesterday, you can clearly see there was a divergence, right? NQ was close to all-time high and made the new high. And I think you pointed out, Vivek, that, NQ was already engulfing and ES not yet. Do you remember?
Yeah.
So yesterday was a divergence day, but today, if you look at it, there was no divergence at all. They both are under the VWAP. They both are 30 minutes down, 30 minutes consolidation, close to pre-market low. As of now, I don't see any divergence. The question you ask, you don't need to guess. You need to find the evidence. That is really important for you guys to, if you really want to improve. So based on what I see, I don't see divergence yet. It may develop once market going to open, but as a good trader, you need to look for evidence. When I look for the divergences, I look for at least 30 minutes time frame, because 5 minutes is too low for us to see the divergence. But you're right. If you look at just 5 minutes, you can clearly see that ES is trying to go back and retest the VWAP and very close to the VWAP, but as compared to the NQ, NQ is just a bit away. The big picture is that both are under the VWAP, both are close to the pre-market, both are consolidating under the last 30 minutes, under the lows. So that's what I look for, that synchronization. Of course, there's never going to be the minute by minute sync, but once the volume started coming in, then you're going to see a minute by minute sync. What we're looking for is that ES to break out over 63.82 area in order for us to go long. And if it's stuck between the 63.76 to 82, I would not take any trade. And similarly for the ES, I want ES to go in beyond this range of 500 to 580. If it's go break out above the range, we're going to go long. If it's going to break down under the lows, then we're going to go short. Right now, we'll see the ES NQ will start moving back up in. Here you go. ES is above the VWAP. NQ is trying to move back over the VWAP as well. So look at this. ES is really moving over the VWAP. So now we really need to see that can it break 63.90 for us to go long. Look at this move. And it's a big range day today. There is a big difference between the S3 and R3. R3 is at 23,650 as well. So big range day today. Be careful today. All right, let's see that. How does it do? So far, it's just moving really nicely. First move up, first rejection come in. Let's see what it does next. I'm gonna have a little bit more patience today. We don't know. We're in the middle of the range right now. It looked like wanted to make another leg up. I'm not taking this trade. It's looking the good flag, but I'm gonna wait. Watch closely. If it's gonna break out, we may consider a small size. I'm gonna trade ES today just to manage my risk. We have a lot of resistance top, but 63.88 breakout could give us a little bit of a move up on the upside. There is a resistance. Well, I really want NQ to hold 23,500, so we're gonna get a bigger move. And similarly, ES. Right now, it is on the zone where it can easily reject things. I'm not gonna show it unless I'm gonna see a clear rejection under 23,540. Let's see where market goes first. Look like market wants to come down and retest the lower side of the range. Market is making a new range here. Let's see what it does. I'm waiting. ES is still holding the VWAP. NQ down, AMD down, ES, NVIDIA down. Okay, let's see what it does now. It has a bounce. After the bottom is a bounce. Let's see. I really wanted to see now what market does now. So move is coming in. Look at the bottoming tail. Both sides really doing good. Both sides are coming back up, reclaiming the VWAP. Let's see what it does next. I'm interested in going long with this momentum. If it's going to continue on the breakout side, I still think that if it's going to hold this level, 63.80, look at it exactly bounce at 63.80. So there is a high possibility we're going to get a momentum. We just need to wait a little bit. Right now it is holding for sure. Just give a little bit more time. Don't try to chase 1 minute candles. I'm getting ready for the ES. See, NQ is over the highs. What it does next is really important. I'm gonna go high over the highs. NQ is really strong at this point. Okay, NQ already broke. Look at see what it does, the ES does. I'm not interested in NQ today. It could be volatile if it's gonna drop. NQ look much more stronger, as we can see here as well. So I think that's good. The sell-off came in. Now if you're gonna see the bounce over the highs, it's much better. So that's good. We are not in the trade yet. 63.87 become the clear resistance. It is also the YY close. So we'll see that can it break out. NQ is really strong. Look at the NQ is breaking out over the pre-market high. ES is not supporting NQ breakout. So likely it seems like NQ breakout might gonna fail, but NQ is much more stronger. Remember, Vivek, what you were talking about before the market, that the ES is much more strong. But look at the NQ now.
Yeah, that's right. It's the opposite.
That's the crazy part of it. I think NQ is rejecting as well, like a ES. I think we should consider shorting it if it's rejection going to happen over the highs. NQ definitely failed here. NQ is still holding it, but ES failed. The problem is that the ES is not supporting. ES is making lower highs. So again, the divergence created, but the bigger picture is that one is close to resistance, one is way below the resistance, one is making downside moves, one is making very strong moves. So I'm just gonna wait. It might be the ES will go with the NQ today. Tesla made a nearly going towards a 330. Really good move coming in Tesla, and that's the reason the NQ is really moving. I'm gonna go long ES. I missed that move. Let's see if we can get the retest here. Okay, I'm long ES. Very good move coming in. Come on, I wanted to close to 63.90 to break out over the 92. NQ was really strong. I think because I'm looking at the AMD, Tesla, NVIDIA, they're all breaking out over the highs. So there is no point that it's not going to break out. Come on, a little bit more. Tesla moving 330. Look at this 20. AMD is just 178. NVIDIA moving 183. Okay, is retesting it. We want this to hold this. If it's gonna fail, just close under 87. If it's gonna break under 87, now you just stop out with a 2-point stop loss. That's okay. Hold. If it's gonna break under 87, then stop out. So far it's good. So far it's just retesting the prior. Okay, put the hard stop loss under 87. So our stop loss is always usually the 5 points, but as we move along, we always reduce the stop loss. Now our stop loss is only 1 point. I'm gonna start partialing out if it's gonna start pulling back under the 94. Okay, I will raise it. If it's gonna break 63.91, I will stop out. So far, you guys are taking the profit. Just don't get greedy. Okay, start raising the stop losses. And if it's gonna break under 63.92, just take the stop loss. So far, really good trade. I'm really in the good shape in the profitable. Oh, look at this! Wow, beautiful. Who's in the trade with me? Wow, so beautiful. Woo! Look at this! Look at this! 63,400. Wow, squeezed everybody. Wow. Such a beautiful. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Just start raising. If you have not taken yet profit yet, just start taking the profit. A very big squeeze coming in. Wow. Who expected that squeeze? Very strong move. Look at this move. Really strong. I wouldn't take the short NQ now. This is not our style. I would not even recommend. Whatever you made in the money in the long side, you're going to lose everything if you're going to short. Seems like another leg coming up now. Let's see what it does here. Very strong buying came in. I don't know from where this buying came in, but very strong buying came in. So 6400 could be the resistance area, but I will not guess any short. Those who have not taken this long trade, just wait. Those who have taken the long trade, please give a thumbs up. Vivek, what happened? Did you take the trade?
I did take it, but I checked out early.
What about you guys on the Discord? Have you taken any Tesla trade? I called it 329. It's going to 331 now. And the ES trade, any one of you on the Discord took the trade? This Tesla is doing really good. I wish I would have held very small size in the Tesla. What I told you, this is the character of this market, that don't guess, just go with the flow. Those who have taken the profit, really appreciate. You can always like, subscribe, join our membership, and you can always support the stream as well by supporting the stream, scanning the barcode, and sharing your blessings with us. All right, so I'm still gonna wait. I would strongly advise this Friday, take your money and leave. But if you still think that you need to take a trade, but just don't quickly get ready for shorting it, okay? The short might will come, I'm not sure, but just don't force the trade. ES is really holding ES 500. Look at the Tesla, man, 334. What happening? Is there any news on the Tesla? It's just crazy. It's moving. I basically just went long small size on 328 and I closed at 329. I was thinking it's just gonna give a little bit of pullback, but look at this crazy move. I think it's NQ, everything driving so much quickly. Let's see that what it does. The market does on the 6400 level, and this is on the 23,650. Right now, NQ is just close to the yesterday high or the yesterday opening range. ES has already claimed the bottom range of the opening candle. Let's see what it does. Very strong move. If I just remove all the noise, you can see here. We started the week July 31st, and after the 1 week, we came back again the same level. There's a whole roller coaster cycle. Do you see the NQ? I'm gonna put it here. This is a whole roller coaster. So we started on close to 23,750. We came down. Now we again on 23,750. This is a perfect time if the reversal comes in. Is at 10 o'clock. Sometime the reversal comes in that time. So just watch for the reversal.